this is Yen and welcome to YenTeach Channel. So for today's video, I will teach you how to use a Google Classroom as a teacher and as a student. So log into your Gmail account. So after logging in, this will be the interface. So after that, click this Google Apps icon and then scroll down. As you can see, there is a classroom. So click this one. So after clicking this one, so this is the result. So as you can see, I already have a class here. So we'll create another class. So click this icon, class icon, then create class if you are a teacher. But if you are a student, then just click this join class. So later on, we will discuss it one by one. After you read this, then check this one and then click continue. So type your class, example, computer class. So next is section, faith, and then subject, ICT. Then type the room. So it's up to you if you are going to add the room, or you may also add the time. Just click create. So we'll wait until it create. So here it is. So as you can see, there are 4 elements here. We have the stream, where we can add announcement to our students. So we will just type it, hello, welcome to computer class. So after that, you may format your text here, change it into italic, put an underline or some bullets here. You may also add a link, a file, or a YouTube link. So it's up to you what you are going to post here. You may also click save as draft. So when you say save as draft, you may schedule it later on or post it later on, or schedule. So create it using a Google Calendar or just post it. So for me, I will post it. So here it is. We already have an announcement. So next is the classwork. So what are the things that we can do in our classwork? So just simply click this one, create. We can create an assignment to our students, quiz assignment, question, tutorial, videos, posts, and topics. For me, I will just use quiz assignment. So assignment number 1. Title is assignment 1. And then I will just put an instruction. Watch this video. So after that, we will add a link. So I already searched video here. Later on, we will see that. So we will add this in our link. Then paste the link and then click add link. So as you can see here, there is already a video. So you may add points or type the points for your students. So say for example 50 points, and then the due date of watching the video is this one. We also add time and then create topic. So just create a topic, computer. Then click, or you may choose assign students. So since we don't have students yet, so we will not just click this one and then click assign. So as you can see here, we already have an assignment. So there is a tune in. So if one student tune in here, it means that he or she also already done watching this video. Next is the people. So in this area, you will see your students. So since we don't have yet students, later on we will just see it. And then the teacher. You may also add another teacher here by typing their email address. Same with the student. You will type their email address, or they will use your class code. And then this area is the grades. So if you already graded your student or add grade to your students, then you will see it in this area. So next is we will discuss in this area. So this is the class code. So you will just copy this class code and then give it to your students. So go to another Gmail, which is the student's Gmail account. So again, go to Google Apps, then click Classroom. So just like the teacher, we will use this one. Click Join Class and then type the class code. So make sure that you type the correct class code. So then click Join. So we'll wait until it loads. So as you can see here, we already enter into the classroom. So I am the student, so this is it. And then classwork, got it. So there is already a classwork here. So I will just see it and then click this one. So watch these videos. I will just click this one and then watch the video. So here it is. There is already video added to our announcement. So after clicking this video, you may just leave and then tune in or mark as done, so that the teacher will notify. So we will go back to the class. So here there is a classwork. So the students will see here the classwork the teachers put, and then in this area you will see the teachers and your classmates. So we will go back to the teacher in order for us to know if the assignment is already passed. So here it is. So as you can see, there is someone tuning now. So bitmap. So I will just type here score into 50. So and then so here it is. He already has a points. Then click return. Very good. Just add type very good or any announcement you want to set to him or here. Okay, so go back, and then as you can see, we already have one graded. So just click here. So there, Bedmark got 50 score. So that's all for today. So don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.